What's good, Jaya? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV. We back with another video. You see the title, you see the box. We got a new cop for you guys. I had this for like a couple days. Yeah, I got it from Finish Line. Yeah, I think I got it from Finish Line. Did I? No, actually, I think this is the Nike pair. I hit on Nike. Yeah, Nike sneakers. I don't know if I have the got 'em picture anymore, but if I do, y'all see it. But if you're new here, I think my allergies are kicking in. But anyways, let's get this video. Let's get through this video. I'm gonna try to get through it. My allergies is kicking in. But if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 plus subs. So subscribe, like this video, comment, because I also respond to all my comments. And yeah, that's it. Ladies, hit that Instagram DM. Everybody else, check out that main channel as well. Main channel, Instagram, those links will be down below in the description. So go check that out. And no further ado, you see the name of the video. So let's get right into the sneaker. And yeah, let's get it. So off rip, I did take a peek at this shoe before this video. Obviously, I wanted to see the material. I thought it was a regular dunk, but it's not. So regular, typical orange box. This is a women's dunk, so a size 10 converts to a men's 8.5. Regular Nike paper, and boom, right here. They call it the women curls, platinum, something like that. I literally forgot. The name on the box says Nike metallic silver off nor white. But I know online it says something like curls or whatever the case is. Oh god, it comes with gold laces. Here we go, another shoe, another laces. Right there, the gold laces to match this sparkly ass platinum shoe. But let's get that quick thumbnail for you guys. If you want to put the shoelaces in there, I really don't care. But let's show it like that. Boom. So yes, it does come with extra laces. I don't know why they keep doing this. Come with gold laces right there. I'm gonna put this shoe down because I don't need to hold it. No further ado though, it doesn't have leather. It comes with like this knit material. I don't know why. I guess they want it to be different for this colorway. I feel like the silver platinum will shred if you keep flicking at it, but either way, that's the same material throughout the whole shoe. This knit material. You can see it close up. Definitely, this is a different type of dunk. I don't know how much resale is right now, but I'm probably gonna try to sell this ASAP because I don't really want to hold this. There's no point. But it's basically the colors black, white, silver. Even the Nike logo is not leather. It's like a suede. Yep, you can see it right there. It's like a suede. Got the back, regular black, white, Nike logo in the back. Like I said, this dropped like a couple days ago, last week or whatever. Did you guys take a W, L? Let me know in the comments. No, there's nothing really else to go over. The inside, Nike, black, white. The tongue, I don't know if it's white or gray, but either way, you can see it right there for yourself. Let me know if this shoe is a pass. Is it mostly for ladies? If ladies are watching this, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the everything. If you're new here and you're a cutie, a cute girl, go hit me up on Instagram. Go follow that down below. I know you're here for sneakers, but we could talk sneakers and we could talk relationship. I'm just kidding. But let me know what you guys think about this new material. Do you like this knit material, or you wish they would have had a regular, white material with the leather? So yeah, I just wanted to show you this, guys. I don't really, like I said, if you want to buy it, resale shouldn't be high. It shouldn't be too much. And if you're a reseller, then I don't think they go for that much, but we'll see. One final look at them, the nice little platinum. I still don't know why they have gold laces, but whatever. Did you guys pass on these? Or did you take a L, W? Let me know in the comments so I can see what you guys did with these shoes. Do you even like them? Ladies, if you're watching this, let me know in the comments. Did you go for them? Either way, that's one final look. Okay, so I have more videos coming out. I dropped videos every day last week, so if you haven't, go check out all those videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. We're on our way to 400 plus subs. My allergy is going crazy. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace the fuck out.